All right, welcome to Hollandaise 1 that's made with clarified butter. Now I have 8 egg yolks in a bowl here, and I'm going to put a little bit of cold water in here, probably about 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces. I want to make it just a little bit slushy, but not too much. And I have boiling water here in a saucepan. That turned out to be about 1/3 of a cup there. That's it. That's 8 egg yolks. Now you should always figure, now I'm putting it on the simmering water, and we're going to begin mixing it. The Hollandaise sauce, which is a warm sauce, of course, and is also known as an emulsified sauce. Emulsified refers to two things becoming one thing. In this particular case, we're going to cook the egg yolks and then marry the cooked egg yolk with clarified butter, and that would be what we're emulsifying together. There is a Hollandaise sauce that's made with whole butter, which is Hollandaise 2, if you'd like to look at that later. So you want to be sure the number one priority when you're cooking the eggs for the Hollandaise sauce is that you don't scramble the eggs. If you scramble the eggs, instead of just getting them cooked by having hot heat but not enough to scramble them, then you'll have to throw them out if you scramble them, of course. So we're cooking the egg. We're going to take it off the fire after it's cooked. I'll show you how to determine when it's cooked. And if it gets a little bit hot, you think it's cooking too fast, you remove it from the fire for a second and put it back on. And remember, one of the things that you're doing when you're cooking eggs like this, or anything that's being cooked with heat like this, is when you whisk it, you're actually assisting in the cooling process. So the faster you whisk, the longer it takes to cook it, because you're kind of cooling it off slightly as you're whisking it. So if you think it's cooking fast, you can whisk faster, besides taking it off the heat, and that will also tell you, or I mean rather assist you in preventing the eggs from scrambling. So we're getting close there. Now the basic formula for the proportions of sauce, proportions should usually be measured as 1 egg yolk per serving.